Hi there! Today let's talk about how to add a GIF to your Klaviyo email template. Whether it's a campaign or a flow, GIF is a fun addition to your email. We will start with some examples of different GIFs that I received recently, and then I will show you 4 different types of GIFs that you can easily create using just 2 tools, Canva and GIF Maker. So let's dive right into it. The first simple GIF that I received is just a GIF of different products. I like that they added a bit of sale details here. That way there is quite a bit of information on this image. It shows what products are on sale or what colors, and then it also gives some sale details. Next is a new color launch. So we have different products of the same color in this GIF, also very easy to make. A very simple flash sale GIF, some flash in numbers, some flash in letters, a transparent background jump-in gift card. I will show you how to do this one as well. Now we have some sparkles, so you can see how the background of this image is blended with the background of the email template. And then there are some dynamic elements here as well. User-generated content on this GIF. And we have a bit of a teaser. I really like how the products are blurred, so you don't really know what exactly is on sale. So this is kind of to give that teaser of what's happening there. And something that looks like a video, but it is actually a GIF also, because you cannot really upload a video to Klaviyo template editor. Now let's start with the simplest GIF that you can create is just multiple images that are changing. To do that, you will need your images and a free GIF maker. So I'm using ezgif.com. All you need to do here is upload your files. So I have 3 images. Let's pretend this is a recipe campaign that I'm making. So I want a dynamic GIF of my recipe. So what I will change here is this. Usually you can play around with this, but 20 is really fast. So if you want something flashing, you will use 20. But if you actually want to display something, go for 100. For more luxurious brands, you would want to go with slower, especially if you really want to showcase those products. And if you want something to flash, you go with like 20 or 60. Okay, so what's it saying is that this image is smaller, and this actually would be much better if we go for this square image. So let's resize it. So all of them are now square. Don't stack frames and make a GIF. And that's it, we have a GIF here. This is way too fast. Let's go with more like 70. There we go. And you can simply save this image. And now we will add it to our template. I will just use a basic Klaviyo template. Great. So one of the things to notice is that the width of your email, if you want to go like the full width here, it will be 600. So just something to keep in mind when you're creating your images in Canva, for example. So let's replace. One thing to note is that Klaviyo only accepts files that are smaller than 5 megabytes. So be mindful of that, and you might need to compress your images if they're too big. But it's actually pretty easy to do with something like free GIF compressor. So that's how it will look like in your email. Now you can obviously move it around, do whatever you need to do with this. Okay, cool. So this is the simplest type of GIF that you can make. Now, if you want to make it a little more complex, you can go to Canva and do some things there. So, for example, if you wanted to add like those sale details here, or anything at all, you will be able to add it in Canva. So another thing that I want to show you is how to add a video in your GIF. So for example, you have somebody using your product, or we have this recipe. You can do it pretty easily. So let me show you how I created this template. So search for example, a recipe or sale or whatever that might be. Use your colors. use your fonts, enter your recipe, and now you can simply either upload your video that you want to use from your product, or in my case, I will just search for pancakes video that they have just to show you how it works. So they have a bunch of different ones. You can include it in here. So this is how I created this template with my brand's colors and fonts. Also, what I did here, you will notice that this video is a bit more transparent. If the video is too long, it will be too heavy to upload in Klaviyo. So what you can do is you can shorten this as much as needed, and you can also change the playback speed. So if you speed it up, it will be lighter. What you will do after that is you will download it in your GIF format, so it's not a video anymore. Make sure you're not downloading MP4, but a GIF, and that's it. You will have your thingy that you will upload to Klaviyo. Let me show you how that would look like. There you go. So now, of course, if you wanted, you can make in Canva like a pink background here, and then you can make your template pink as well, so it kind of blends in all together, or you can keep it white as here. So this is how it will look like after you upload it. Now, let's look into the next case of how to add a GIF to your email. I told you I'll show you how to add sparkles, and let me do that. So I have a lot going on here. I just wanted to show you. I took this template from Canva, so I just searched for sale. I took one of those templates and I added a button, so you can add elements, you can add a button. It's not really very pretty, so I'll just remove it. And now you can add some other elements from graphics. So you can either add coins, like I did here, or you can add some sparkles, so whatever makes sense for your case. This is definitely too much. I just wanted to show you what you can do with this. And now in the same way, you will download it as a GIF and you will upload it to your template. This is overwhelming. Okay, let's look into the next one, how to make a flashy GIF. So same template. Let's remove this. This is not pretty. Same template. I just cloned it and I simply made this transparent. So this way, when I put it into GIF, it will look like it's flashing. So I will also upload it to this GIF maker. Here they are. Just download them as JPEG, upload them. So this is the case where you want it faster. So this is what it will look like. You can now save it and upload it to Klaviyo. So I've uploaded this before, so I'll just select it. That's how it will look like. Now, the next case that you can do is a gift card with a transparent background. I actually built this from scratch. I took a card, I took a bow, I took stars and everything else separately. But if you have it saved as an image on your website, you can just copy and paste it in here. And what you will do next is you will take this, you will group this, turn it sideways as you want, and you will clone this and you will turn it sideways again. After that, you will need to download this as a PNG and transparent background, and then only those 2 pages. And you will now upload it to your GIF maker. And I would say something like 70 would work really well. Don't stack. And make a GIF. And here you have it, a GIF with transparent background. So save it and see how it looks in your Klaviyo account. So this might be too big for your email. What you will do in that case, you will go back, make it smaller, clone it, turn it around. You can now download it again as PNG with transparent background. So now what you can do here is you can just make it smaller. And you will again upload it to your GIF maker and then upload it to Klaviyo. So there you have it. You have, I think, 4 or 5 different ways how you can create a GIF and a bunch of examples. So have fun with it, get creative, and let me know if you have any questions.